Hello class 5, how are you all? Hope you all have enjoyed your summer vacation. But now it is time to study. So let us start. In the previous video, I introduced lesson number 1, evolution of mankind, the stages of human evolution, and I explained you about the sources of the study of human evolution. Today I will teach you the Stone Age. Now, based on the type of tools used, the Stone Age can be divided into 4 periods. The first is Paleolithic period, or is also known as Old Stone Age. Second is Mesolithic Age, which is also known as Middle Stone Age. Third is Neolithic Age or New Stone Age, and the fourth is Chalcolithic Age or Copper Stone Age. Now, the first is the Paleolithic Age. Let us learn about the Paleolithic Age. During this period, human used very simple tools like axes, stone tips, spears, harpoons, and bow and arrow. For what? For cutting the trees, for skinning of animals, and for chopping and digging roots. And during this period, people they move from one place to another in groups for gathering food and for hunting animals. That time they did not have permanent houses. They keep on moving from one place to another, or they lived either on the treetops and in caves. And they wore very simple clothes that were made up of animal skin, leaves, and bark of trees. Now, when this old stone age was about to over, when it was towards its end, then the men learned about fire, how to use fire and how to control it. And during this period only, the wheel was also invented. And this was one of the most important invention in the history of men. Like you can see in this picture also that in the Paleolithic age, early men used to wear the clothes made up of animal skin. And when the fire was invented and they knew how to use it, then they started cooking food also in fire, and they started protecting themselves from fire also. And when the wheels were invented, they started using it for transportation. The second comes the Mesolithic age. Now this is the period between the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. And in this during this age, they started using very small and light tools. The very small and light tools are called microliths. So people during this age also, people continued hunting and gathering food. And during this period, they also started taming animals. And the dog was the first animal that was tamed. Now here people, for living, people started building circular houses. They built it using plant saplings, small plant sapling, the baby plants you can say, covered with animal skin. And Mesolithic humans, they enjoyed a warm climate and they had great variety of food, like they ate deer, rabbit, birds, and other animals like deer and bison. That could be hunted. That they like to eat those animals that could be hunted easily. Now for hunting, they used bow and arrow, spears, and sticks. And during this period only, they started growing crops. Like first they started growing wheat, rice, barley, and millets. During this period only, the man transformed himself from a savage, from uncivilized person to a civilized society. Then the third is the Neolithic age. The Neolithic means New Stone Age. The Neolithic period was later part of the Stone Age. Here agriculture was developed due to the invention of plough, and domestication of animals. Means plow was invented during this period, and domestication was also improved. During this period only the humans began to lead settled lives. They used to live a settled life. Now bullocks, horses, donkeys, they were used to plow the fields. Now pots were also made using the potter's wheel, and people use now during this period. Now tools were also used, but at this time tools were polished and they were of very fine quality, like axes, edges, spearhead, long weeding hose, picks with single or double working ends, chisels, hammers, and microliths. Microliths, I told you, very small and light tools. Now here the wheel was also was used for transportation, for making pots, and for spinning. Now animal fur, skin, and hides, they were used to make clothes. Now the next comes Chalcolithic age. Now during this period people used both weapons of stone also and copper also, and tools also of both stone and copper. Now here people used copper to make metal tools for agriculture, for construction, and for other aspects of daily life. Means whatever is used, whatever the things are used in daily life, they were used of tools and copper. Means copper were used to make metal tools. Now later they learned metallurgy. And it helped them to make and use bronze, and that bronze was much stronger than copper. So the main characteristic of this period was beautiful painted pottery. During this period the beautiful painted pottery was also done. People also learned how to weave wool into cloth. Now during this period they learned to weave wool into cloth, and so they started wearing better clothes during this period than the fur and skin worn by their ancestors. During this period also people used to do farming, hunting, and fishing. And fish and animal flesh formed that was the important diet of that people. And for that they reared cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, and pig, which were also killed for food. Now comes the Iron Age. Why was this age was named so, the Iron Age? Because during this period people they gave preference to iron for making tools. Now they just choose iron rather than other tools for other metals for making tools. Now the discovery and use of iron, when the iron was discovered and used, it brought many changes in the life of human. The iron farming tools like sickles and iron plow, that made the process of agriculture more efficient. Iron was a good material to make implements because it could be hammered into shape. It could be hammered into shape and did not need to be carved. Now we have completed this lesson. If you have any queries regarding this lesson or the topics we discussed today or I explained today, so you can mail me and ask your queries. And you have to do this work in your new social studies notebook and neat and good handwriting. And just purchase your new set of books, the revised one, as soon as possible. That much for today. Thank you so much.